Let's try to change this colored image to a black and white image or a gray image. So in technical terms, we call it changing the channel of the image, to be more precise. Now to change this channel, Opencv provides a CVT color function with the image which we are gonna change, and this is how we are gonna change. The red image is in BGR format, so we will supply BGR to gray. This is a default code which you can find on Opencv website. So every channel you need to do conversion, there is a particular code to it, and you have to be very specific on what channel conversion you are trying to do. Here what we are trying to do, we are trying to do a BGR conversion to a gray channel conversion. That's the moment we run it, it will be stored inside variable name gray image, and inside this function cv.image I'm trying to write the same gray image into my local system, and the same stored image I'm trying to display here using the display image function which I have written here. So let's do it one by one. Let's first just convert the image to gray channel. Now our image has been converted into gray channel. Now let's write the image. cv.image will write the image into the local system, and the path, whichever path we provide here, it will write at the same place. And what image we have to write, this is the variable name, that's what here. So let's write the image. Okay, by default it will return true or false. If it returns true, that means image has been written to your supplied path. Let's go and see whether it has written or not. So this is grayscale. Okay, there it is. Voila, we have a black and white image of Batman enjoying his sun. It doesn't always make sense to go back and see whether image has written or not on our local system. So let's try to display it here as well. So let's run all the cell at once. Okay, so we have one issue here. The image which we wrote was a grayscale image, but when we try to read it and display it, it's showing some sort of different image altogether. The problem is that when we are using matplotlib to display image, we'll have to supply CMap for it. For example, to display same image, I will supply the path of the image, and inside plotlib we will supply what is the CMap of the image. So here the CMap of the image is gray, so I will supply it as gray and we'll run it once again. See, the same image we are reading here, it's displaying as a black and white proper image,